Alright, I did a little bit of work since last time, making a support here for a cabinet that's going in here. It was here before, but it's nowhere near as sturdy as it is now. I'm going to build up a rack here for the air conditioner to go in so it can slide in and out of this hole. I'm going to do a little cutting up there. Sink's going to stay here. I'm relocating the power panel to about this location. Got this little 12 volt fridge. I think it's 110 and 12 volt. Got to figure out where I'm going to put a hot water heater and a heating system. I'll work on that later. Biggest thing is right now AC and a little bit of water. May put a shower in this location. That's going to be emergency restroom over here. My sleeping quarters up here. And roll out couch or something like that. Something that folds out that we can sleep one or two right here also. And so let me get started on this and make some progress building out the rest of the kitchen area. And you think I would have learned from last year or 2 years ago. I don't know if you can see the eggs that are in there, but now I guess I'm gonna have to do without that for a little while until those little birds hatch and fly away. Thankfully I don't have anything that is coming up that I'll have to use that, hopefully. I don't think that's going anywhere. It's part of the camper now, which is part of the truck. Shaking the whole truck, so that's good. So ideally, that's going to slide out. The door's going to open, so it's not like exposed and ugly out there, but just slid out when you need it. And then something, I don't know what I'm going to do with this yet, but something like this. Let's see. Down a little bit. Yeah, something like that. Don't know yet. Probably going to cut that down to where the air conditioner, recirculate the air a little bit better. That's what I have so far, and I'm going to cut this panel out so that my panel fits in here. Probably going to end up cutting a whole new piece of wood right there, but that's what we got so far. Get some more screws in here, secure everything. Then I'll figure out what I'm going to do about making this nice looking and have some kind of wood to match here. Just going to use this little stove for right now. I don't want propane in here, but I'm okay with a small thing of butane. And these little stoves, these little $20 stoves, man, they are hard to beat. I'm gonna make it so it's recessed in here. Of course, it's gonna be nicer looking than what I have. I'm gonna get my head. I don't know. Gonna have it trimmed out, and you know, just a little hot plate right there, little sink. I'm probably gonna change this faucet out because my ultimate intention is to have a shower right here, and that's why that door is left high there, because the shower pan's gonna go there. I don't know exactly how I'm gonna do that, but that's not a thought that I need right now. And what I need to do is continue working on this, get this all trimmed out and ready to go. Won't be much longer. I gotta get some power in here so I have some lights to work at night. I gotta get me a new fan. I'm gonna get a probably a max fan, something like that. So we have kitchen area. My wife hates this idea. She does not like a porta potty, but I think it's a great idea. You can just, if you have to go to the restroom, you know, just probably, you know, emergency sake anyway, for right now. And I'd love to be able to put a black tank in here for her, but there's really not enough room underneath the chassis. I might figure out some way to do that. I know the muffler runs this way, and if I ever change the muffler or anything, I could probably put a black tank underneath right there, but I really don't see a reason for a black tank. Hope you guys will keep in mind this is still a budget build. I'm not under my $5,000 budget, but I'm a little bit over. I got about 6 in the truck because I sold the bed off it, and I got about 600, 700 in the camper itself so far. And if you'll notice, I'm trying to reuse as many materials as I can, and I use you know, a lot of scrap material that I find in a local scrapyard that's still good aluminum. But it's for weekend trips. Maybe you stay a week or two in it, you know, at most. It's got an 18-gallon water tank. I'm going to have hopefully I want to try out some stuff with lithium batteries, you know, 18650 cells, and maybe try that. I don't know yet. But I'm trying to get this together quickly so I can use it this summer. And I'm on target right now, and won't be much longer I'll be able to get it together. Ultimately, this is just for, you know, short, quick excursions, maybe a week at a time, and be able to tow, you know, another camper with it, a trailer, which I don't know if I'm going to buy one or build it. Actually, I do. I'm probably going to end up building one, but I won't have that done this summer. It'll be more of a long-term travel deal. My wife wants to go on long excursions, you know, a month at a time. She wants it full-time, but I don't think we're ready for full-time. I think we need a home base and a nice less than 30-foot travel trailer, maybe 25-foot travel trailer. I'd like to ultimately be able to have, you know, park this in a parking lot where I can pull up in one spot with the truck, and then the trailer take up one parking spot behind it. So it's coming along pretty good, and I like the way everything's coming out. It's durable. It's not the prettiest thing right now, but we can make it pretty later. Main thing is making it usable right now. I'd like to put these aluminum wheels on there, I think. Nothing I have to do right away. I do think that's pretty much the largest tire I'm going to go with. I don't really see any reason to go up to like 35s. These are about 33s. These are like 30s. Try to keep the mileage in a somewhat reasonable range, especially if I'm going to be towing. I want it to handle well. Thanks for watching, and remember, build it, don't buy it.
Hey, thanks for watching my channel, and if you haven't subscribed already, please do for future updates. Remember, build it, don't buy it.